What's up with the Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today I am bringing you guys the update on I think this is my 2-week grow back. So, hey, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, as you can see, you can start to see the line go down. See the vellus hairs right there. You know, it's coming in. And you can see my weak spot real good now that my hairs are starting to grow real thick. You know what I mean? Keep in mind, like, if you're an African American, Hebrew, you know what I'm saying? If you're an African American, sometimes our hair tends to grow a little slower. Now, people who got them massive beards, they probably can cut their beard today and have a full beard in 2 weeks. But your boy, you know what I'm saying? I ain't got that, you feel me? But I got progress. Thanks to the Minoxidil, I got the progress to where I can say, I can see how my beard is gonna look if it was full and luscious. Just like this picture right here. Now I can see the progress of how far I've come being at this stage. Before, I couldn't do it. I couldn't grow this right here. So I thought, you know what I mean? But yeah, seeing all this progress come in, and it's only been 2 weeks after I've shaved it. Not really shaved it, but I trimmed it down. I trimmed it down basically to the skin, but I still had a little hair there. Seeing the results, I'm loving it. Here go this side right here. This is my weaker side, as y'all can see, but y'all see how it look. It looks similar to the other side. Now, as far as the mustache and the goatee or the bro tee goes, ain't too much change there, you know what I'm saying? Obviously, I know it's growing, but, you know, it still look the same. The bro tee, the mustache, you know what I'm saying? Pretty dark, full, and thick for the bro tee, you know what I'm saying? So no complaints there. I'm just waiting on the rest of my beard to catch up with this right here. That's gonna be player, you know what I'm saying? Right now, I feel like I look like a pirate. I look like a pirate with the daggum bandana on and the bro tee popping and the scruff on the sides. What y'all think? Comment down below if y'all think I look like a pirate in this mug. I wanna know from you all, what is your growth process, you know what I mean? Like, how long does it take you to grow, you know, stubble or grow a beard? Like right now, I'm in my 2-week grow back, and y'all see what I'm working with. I want to know down below in the comments, when 2 weeks pass, what level or how much hair do you have on your face after you shave or cut it down or whatever? You know, does it look like this, or is it more full? Is it fuller than this? You know what I mean? I know people grow their hair at different rates, and I just want to know down below. We a community, and hey, I like keeping track with y'all's progress too. To be honest, keeping up with my progress and bringing y'all updates actually inspires me to keep going and not cut it off and just rock the bro tee or the goatee, you know what I'm saying? Cutting that much off and rocking that. And being like majority of everybody else who like to rock the clean face, maybe a few facial hair like goatee, mustache, or nothing at all, you know what I'm saying? I haven't seen my face naked in a long time. Don't plan on doing it either, player. I'm rocking this and growing what I can on the sides and keeping it clean. Even if I have to use beard enhancements, that's what I'm gonna do, player. You feel me? Because I ain't going back to the youngster. That's a fact. Now, I thought about throwing some beard enhancements on my cheeks, but I was like, nah, hold on, pause. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the cheeks right here, because beard enhancement. Anyway, bruh. So yeah, I thought about throwing some enhancements on the sides, you know what I'm saying? And I was like, nah, that's gonna look weird because I ain't got enough hair there right now. So if I do that, that's gonna look weird for this to be all dark. And then, you know, nah, I ain't never liked that 70s look with the pork chops, the disco with the big sideburn pork chops, and they just stop midway. And nah, I don't like that. I'm gonna let Ludacris keep that style, you feel me? But other than that, I'll give y'all one more look at the progress. You see, boom. That's what I'm working with. 2 weeks in with the grow back on the sides, mustache, soul patch. That's what your boy working with, you know what I mean? So, hey, let me know down below in the comments so I can know where y'all progress is. You know, if you started growing your beard, if you halfway, if you got a full beard, if you doing any of this stuff, you know what I mean? Because your boy on Minoxidil, and I'm trying to keep it going as long as I can. I'm not just on Minoxidil, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing like, you know, the tea tree oils, the peppermint oils, the rosemaries, And try to do that natural stuff too, because I hear you can grow even faster using natural products. But right now the minoxidil is working and the other stuff working too. Hey, all I can say is we got to keep it going, player. But anyway, it's your boy Trey Smith bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, peace.